Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a step-by-step guide on how to deactivate your Discord account on PC, especially with the latest update. If you've decided to take a break from Discord or just want to step away for a while, we'll walk you through the process. Let's get started. First, open the Discord app on your PC. If you haven't already, make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're in, you'll see your main interface. Now, look for the gear icon located at the bottom left corner of your screen. This icon takes you to your user settings. Go ahead and click on it. After that, you'll find yourself in the user settings menu. Here, you'll want to click on My Account. This section holds all the essential details about your Discord profile. Scroll down a bit until you see the option that says Disable Account. Click on it. Before going any further, Discord will prompt you to enter your password for verification. This step ensures that it's really you who wants to deactivate the account. So, enter your password and proceed. Finally, you'll see one last confirmation option that says Disable Account. Click on it, and you're done. Your Discord account will be deactivated, allowing you to step back without losing any of your data. And that's it. You've successfully deactivated your Discord account on PC with the new update. If you have any questions or need further assistance, don't hesitate to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next video.